Hello friends, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to design a professional lettermark logo design. Let's start. At first, I would like to choose ellipse. Okay. Make this ellipse black, then copy, paste it. In the center. Okay. Now the size is quite bigger. Let's make it small size. Okay, it looks good. Divide objects below. Now we'll make a rectangle from this. Okay, it's okay. Now it's time divide object below. With the shape builder tool, I'd like to shape it so that I can get the middle point of this rectangle, so it will be easy for me to expand it. Okay, then transform, rotate it 90-degree angle. Okay, now place this here. Okay, little bit inside. Okay, now copy this rectangle, paste in front, transform, rotate 90-degree again. So okay, so copy this rectangle, paste in front. Okay, copy this one, paste in front. Okay, so group it. Now move little bit. Okay, now it's time. I'm planning to draw SB lettermark from this circle. Okay, copy, paste in front. Okay, divide object below. Now paste in front again, put it here. Okay. Divide object below. Okay, now S is fold. Did you see? Then build the shape of S. Look, beautiful S has been drawn and B is already drawn. Now it's time to build the shape. Look, fantastic SB lettermark logo design. Now it's time to color blue and gray. Look how beautiful this lettermark is, and it is professionally designed. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like this.